Tired of pre-ground meat that's bland, processed, or questionable? Grinding your own unlocks fresher flavors, custom blends for epic burgers, sausages that pop, and total control over what's in your food. It's a total game changer for home cooks, hunters, or anyone craving better meals. I've scoured the options to bring you the top 5 best meat grinders for home use, from versatile choppers to premium attachments and heavy-duty machines. There's something here for every budget and kitchen setup. Starting strong with a multitasking champ, the GANIZA electric food chopper. This 450-watt powerhouse packs dual 8-cup bowls, 1 glass for veggies, 1 stainless steel for meat, to keep things hygienic and organized. It comes with 2 sets of sharp bi-level stainless steel blades that blitz through meat, nuts, onions, or even frozen fruit in seconds. The full copper motor lasts longer than standard ones, and smart features like auto stop when overheated plus spring-loaded blades add serious safety. 2 speeds let you control texture perfectly, fine for pâté or coarse for chili. Let's be real, the only downside is the overheating protection might pause heavy sessions, but just let it cool and you're back in action. Easy cleanup with removable parts makes this a breeze. Perfect for everyday cooks or families wanting a versatile, compact grinder without breaking the bank. Next up, the premium pick for stand mixer owners, the KitchenAid metal food grinder attachment. This all-metal beast hooks right onto your KitchenAid's power hub, turning it into a grinding machine with fine, medium, and coarse plates, plus 2 sausage stuffer tubes. The larger tray processes bigger batches faster, and pre-chilling parts keeps everything clean and cold for pro-level results, like gourmet burgers from scratch or fresh breadcrumbs. It's compact, stores in its own case, and built to last. Stepping up the power, meet the CHEFFANO heavy-duty meat grinder, a 2600-watt max monster with a pure copper motor that chews through roughly 180 pounds per hour. Stainless steel everything, including 3 grinding plates, fine to coarse, 2 blades, sausage tubes, and kube kit. The updated 3-layer auger minimizes heat for fresher, healthier ground meat without those gray streaks. ETL approved with overload protection and reverse function for easy unclogging. Hand wash only, but parts detach quickly. This one's a workhorse for serious home users. Think hunting season or big meal preps. Ideal for those needing speed and versatility on a mid-range budget. Another solid contender from the lineup, the CHEFFANO Heavy Life electric meat grinder, packing 2000-watt max power in a sleek stainless steel body. Pure copper motor rated at 350 watts continuous with 2 blades, 3 plates, sausage tubes, and kube kit for grinding beef, pork, venison, or stuffing sausages effortlessly. Overload protection shuts it off if things get too hot, and reverse clears jams fast. Compact yet tough. It's quieter than some beasts and easy to assemble and clean. Hand wash recommended. Perfect for home kitchens during peak seasons, like turning game into custom blends. Great value for reliable daily use without overwhelming your space. Rounding out the list with a high-power option, the AHILE electric meat grinder boasting 3200-watt max locked power for lightning-fast grinding. Food-grade stainless steel build, 3 plates, 2 blades, and 3 sausage tubes let you tackle coarse patties or fine kibe easily. Pure copper motor for longevity, plus overload protection and reverse mode. It handles bulk batches like a champ. Beef, chicken, venison, you name it. Parts detach for straightforward cleaning, no dishwasher. The only subtle drawback is its weight, but that stability pays off during use. Worth a look for budget-conscious power seekers prepping big meals or hunting hauls. There you have it, the top 5 meat grinders that deliver fresh, flavorful results every time. My overall best pick, the KitchenAid metal food grinder attachment. It's durable, versatile, and turns your mixer into a pro tool without extra clutter. But choose based on your needs. GANIZA for all-around ease, CHEFFANO heavy for heavy duty. Grab one, grind fresh, and you'll never go back to store-bought. Links below. Happy grinding!